Hey, how's it going? Brian Sump here, Avalon Motorsports. We get to play around with German cars all day long, and this one came in this week. This is a 2013 Audi RS5, 450 horsepower V8 engine. Came in with misfire issues from a local dealership. So our Audi certified technicians were able to get the diagnosis done, and just wanted you guys to check this out. It's a sweet one, and this one actually has upgraded exhaust as well. Whew, that sounds mean. Yeah, this is what makes working on German cars fun. You can see the wide body there, mean front end, one of the best designs that Audi's put out in the last probably 6 or 8 years, in my opinion. That's not a super high-end sports car, but yeah, check it out. Pretty awesome. When you need Audi service, diagnostic repairs, if you want performance upgrades for your Audi, check out Avalon Motorsports in Denver, Colorado.